Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about this Roopayur Skin Healing Gel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell notification for future updates. So without any further ado, let's dive into this. Pimples, pigmentation, acne, dullness and dark spots all can be treated using this Roopayur Skin Healing Gel, which is an Ayurvedic formulation. The gel is made entirely of 100% natural ingredients, which means there is no side effects and this is suitable for all skin types. The product comes in the form of a gel mousse, because of which it is compatible with most of the skin types. It feels lighter, gives a refreshing feel to the skin and penetrates quickly into the skin to moisturize it from within. Now let's talk about the ingredients that the product has. It contains aloe vera, which helps to soothe sunburn, moisturize skin and boosts healing of wounds. Second ingredient is turmeric, which contributes to a natural glow and lightens the pigmentation. Next is sandalwood, which nourishes the skin, brightens up complexion and removes blackheads. It contains honey, which acts as a pore cleanser, helps to reduce wrinkles and adds a natural glow. Next is tulsi, which has antibacterial and antifungal properties, acts as natural toner, prevents impurities that clog hair follicles. It also contains amla, which removes dead skin cells and prevent premature aging. Next ingredient it has is neem, which treats dry skin and wrinkles and stimulates collagen production. Last product that it has is kachur, which has healing properties and works against damage. So now let me tell you how to use this product. Clean your face with face wash. Apply Roopayur Skin Healing Gel. Wash your face with water after 15 minutes and you are done. Price of the product is Rs 990. This gel is certified from Ministry of Ayush. It is free from parabens, silicone, sulphate, cruelty and other harmful chemicals. It is a vegan product. No harmful chemicals or preservatives has been used in this product. It has no artificial fragrance as well. Now let's talk about the benefits of this product. It resolves acne issue, it brightens up the skin, fights with impurities and pimples. It also soothes sunburn. I hope you all have enjoyed this video as much I did. All the details about this product will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check it. So that's all for today guys. I love you all so much and I'll see you with a brand new one. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.